2 minutes head wrap tutorial by yourself. Let me teach you. Focus your eye on my hand. My name is Deck Beauty. Today we are going to learn how to achieve quick and very easy. So this material I have is Ashoke. You can use any material, but make sure the length is not that short. If it's too short, you can't achieve it. So just see the way I try to twist this hairstyle is good when you have your wig on. You don't want to take off your wig. It's very good when you have your wig or you have any nice hairstyle on your head. So once you twist, make sure you reserve like a little bit at the edge. Don't twist everything. So that one you leave is what we are going to use to create the rose. See the way we are going to do it. And by the time you've managed to twist it, don't divide it equal. Divide it 80-20. One side will be longer than the other side. That is the reason I always say to people, it's just concentration. You can watch the video again and again so that for you to have more better understanding. See the way I place it on my head. Now you will not drag. You remember already we twist it already. We did not twist it to the tip. So that leftover, then you will now pull it. You see the way I pull it, drag. The more you pull it, your gele will look very firm. Okay, that's it. This style is very easy. You can, as you can see, your gele is ready. If you have pin with you, you can use pin to secure that front side. If you don't have pin, you can use it like this. 2 minutes, that is the reason I say it's just 2 minutes. It's because I'm explaining. That is the reason this video is more than 2 minutes. So this style is very easy. There is no excuse if you don't know how to tie gele. You can learn different simple head wrap on this my YouTube channel and my Facebook. This place is a learning center. If you prefer to leave your wig on, not everybody like to take off their wig. So with your wig on, this style is very perfect for you. In case you are watching me for the first time, my name is Deck Beauty. As I said before, I'm based in United Kingdom, London. Yes, I'm into beauty, all beauty, makeup, gele, kuku. I do photo shoot. I have studio here in United Kingdom, London. So you can come and have your photo shoot. My number is on the last part of this video, the end part of this video. Contact me. I sell makeup products. I sell perfume. I'm available to travel. Go to my Instagram, Deck Beauty. You will see all my work out there. So book me for your event, traditional marriage for the Edo bride. Yes, I'm available to travel. This is the final. Yes, so it's very easy, simple to achieve. If you have more length, you will. It's more easier when your gele, the length is more longer. Yes, so as you can see, the style is very unique. In case you are going to church, your Women's Day, you are going to event, you cannot be left out. Yes, so drop your comment down below. What do you think on this video? What do you think on this video? Don't forget to like and share. Thank you. See you on my next video. Bye. Yes, so I want you to screenshot this part. All these are all my service. You see my service is there. Screenshot it. They do everything. All these are my work. Yes, so I give it to customers the way they want it. Lad makeup, natural makeup, in between. Just the way you want it, I give it to you. Yes, so thank you. Perfume, makeup. See all my social media names. See you on my next video. Bye.